St. Patty's Day today, and we just got back from the cruise yesterday, or day before yesterday, and a bunch of stuff came in for the mini truck, the Honda Acty. And let me show you what came in. We got mill powered. Is that word? Mill powered. From mill powered, it's the gear shift bearing, like bushing repair kit. So it takes the wobble out of the gear shift, and a piece of candy. And then I got from Amazon lug nuts, the proper lug nuts. I got the rims and tires, and they actually sent me the wrong lug nuts. So I bought these little spikes. Hopefully they work okay. And I ordered this, and this is a bracket for the license plate, because the license plate doesn't match, the holes don't match. So that way I can bolt this to the truck, and then that to the truck, and then that to the plate. And it came with bolts. We're going to throw this on right now. Yeah, see how the hole's over here, and this is lined up with that hole. So there's only one holding it on. So we're going to take this off, and these are. Oh yeah. Easy as that. Well, I'll probably end up taking these brackets off later. Yeah, at least it has two bolts holding it on. Let's see what else we got. We can change these lug nuts out. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Little spikes. This is easy enough. Just I took two off at a time, and then put two spikes back on. Torqued them down to 100 pounds. I believe that'd be all right. All said and done. I'm gonna get new tires. Replace these with little smaller tires, street tires, not big knobs like this, and a little narrower, so I should have plenty of clearance after I do that. And I got on the other side, I got a battery cover for that. It came in, so I can put that on too. So here's the battery cover. I haven't opened it yet, and this came in. Alcantara gear shift cover, and gear shift knob. Oh yeah, carbon fiber ball. Yeah, that's cool. Yep, so I got that to put on also. I'll do that at the same time when I redo the bearings inside the gear shift. And here's the bag, or the gear shift cover. Let's go up a little bit. There. A little blue pinstripe. Cool. And that's that. Yeah, there's the cover. OEM, just the OEM cover. Here's the part number. And I see 2 screws here. Take that sticker off. Yeah, it looks a little bit more complete on that side. I just gotta figure out what screws to use. Figure that out really easily. Alright, well, that's it for a minute. I have to work on that gear shift and watch a YouTube video. They offer a YouTube video and shows you how to do it. So let's get to that. Well, we installed the Willpower Performance brand gear shift. Fix this boot. Look at that. There's no play. I think if I push it this way, it goes to neutral. There's neutral, but no play. Perfect. Awesome. I love it. So we got some stuff in today. More stuff, and there's more stuff on the way. I got the Alcantara fabric came in. And that is going to be for all the white, this. All that's going to be covered in Alcantara. The dash I'm going to take out and paint black. The door panels I'm going to paint black. And then that bottom half will be Alcantara, along with the speaker things. But let's check it out on the outside. So I got golf cart tires, 14-inch rims, and I have tires coming today to replace these tires because I don't like those tires. They're too loud. They're going to wear out fast anyway. But they'll be still stuck out, but they'll be more of a street tire. Yeah, more of a street tire than down here. Look at it, tripping, man. What is that today? It's pouring out. There you have it. Finally got the exhaust off the Acty, and look what a mess. Yeah, I had to cut it. Strip the bolt or the nut that holds it on, and there's no way to get that thing off without making more room, and so I had to cut it, drill it, but I don't know how long it took me. Off and on 4 days of miscellaneous hours per day, not like an hour here, hour there, but today finally got it done. I had to put a new bolt on the mounting bracket, but because I had to drill that out. The other one works fine. It came loose just easy as anything, but the one on the one side, man, gosh, it was a mess. But got it on, and literally just finished. Just put it on. It's the W one, Winzo, whatever. But cold start. I haven't heard it. I don't even know if this thing will start. It's been sitting for a couple days, so let's give it a try. I'm just gonna let it run for a while because it's gonna be cold, idle high, and then it'll lower down. But let's see if we can get this thing. That's lined up. Yeah. Sit right there. Started really nice, been sitting for 4 days, so but man, what a sound. That sounds pretty good. It's not like lawnmower sounding, but it got a little deep rumble to it. Like, I don't know if you can hear it from up here. I like it. Wow. Alright, well, I'm kind of happy with that. Alright, so what else I'm working on? I got this in today. Amazon just dropped it off. Can't do things two-handed. I'm trying to do things with one-handed. Alright. Bam. Uh-oh. Those the right ones? They're from Summit. They're 250. It says 250 on it. Should be 10-inch front coilover springs. Let's go measure these things real quick. Oh, they are 10-inch, and those are going to be replacing the stock ones. Right there. And hopefully I can get a little bit more height on the front. And for some reason the ones I saw are a little different, but like they're tighter coils here and then bigger ones. I don't know. I was reading where they were saying like, do they go upside down, like which way they go, but this it don't matter. So maybe they remade them to fit. You don't have to cut them or anything. I don't know. Well, we're gonna give them a try. 250 pounds, a little sturdy. Like I said, I hope I get a half an inch or an inch higher. and but I'm not gonna do that today, not yet anyway. What I'm gotta focus on is these tires. Oh, it's idled down now. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, nice little rumble. Alright. I like it. Very good choice for exhaust tip. Yeah, so as you know, I got these golf cart tires on these rims, and the tires got to go. They're loud, bouncy. My steering wheel goes all over the place, just like expected. I knew they was going to do that. I was warned, but I wanted the stick out look, but I don't like these tires. I like the rims. So I bought new tires, and what I'm going to do today is get those tires mounted on these rims today. I'll reach out to my buddy's shop, see if he's busy, and I'm going to drive down and get them swapped out and back on the road. So I'm going to clean up my mess, tidy this thing up, and hit him up and see if he can swap me some tires.